My child, before you worry about tomorrow, before you wonder how everything will work out, I want you to hear my voice today. I have a plan for you. It is not a plan of confusion, fear, or defeat. It is a plan filled with purpose, hope, and blessing. Even when you cannot see the road ahead, I can. Even when the future feels uncertain, my hand is guiding every step you take. You have spent many days asking questions. You have prayed for answers. You have waited for doors to open. You have wondered why certain opportunities disappeared and why some people walked away from your life. But I tell you now, nothing has escaped my attention. I see every tear, every prayer, every silent cry of your heart. I know the dreams you have not shared with anyone. I know the burdens you carry when no one else is looking. Do not think that your waiting season has been wasted. While you were waiting, I was working. While you were wondering, I was preparing. While you were feeling forgotten, I was arranging things that you could not yet see. My timing is perfect, and my plans are greater than anything you can imagine. Many times, you wanted immediate answers. You wanted quick results. You wanted every detail revealed. But if I showed you the entire journey at once, you might become overwhelmed. That is why I lead you one step at a time. Faith grows when you trust me without seeing everything ahead. My child, some of the closed doors in your life were actually my protection. Some opportunities that seemed perfect were not part of my best plan for you. Some relationships that ended would have distracted you from your purpose. What felt like rejection was often my redirection. What looked like a setback was actually preparation for something better. I need you to stop measuring your future by your current circumstances. Your present situation does not define what I can do. I am the God who makes a way where there seems to be no way. I am the God who opens doors that no one can shut. I am the God who can transform a difficult season into a testimony of victory. You may feel weak today, but my strength is available to you. You may feel uncertain, but my wisdom is available to guide you. You may feel alone, but my presence surrounds you. You are never abandoned. You are never forgotten. You are never beyond my reach. Trust me when the answers are delayed. Trust me when the process feels difficult. Trust me when the outcome is unclear. The same God who has carried you through every challenge before will continue to carry you now. I have not brought you this far to leave you. There are blessings coming that you cannot yet see. There are opportunities being prepared behind the scenes. There are people I am positioning to encourage, support, and help you. There are breakthroughs that are closer than you realize. Keep believing, keep praying, keep moving forward in faith. Do not allow fear to control your decisions. Fear will tell you that you are not qualified. Fear will tell you that it is too late. Fear will tell you that your mistakes are bigger than my grace. But fear is a liar. My grace is greater than your failures. My mercy is greater than your mistakes. My power is greater than every obstacle standing in your way. Remember who you are. You are my beloved child. You are created with purpose. You are not an accident. You are not overlooked. You are not insignificant. Before you were born, I knew you. Before you took your first breath, I had already prepared a purpose for your life. The world may try to define your value by success, popularity, or achievements, but your true worth comes from me. You do not have to prove yourself to earn my love. My love for you is constant. It does not change based on your performance. It does not disappear when you fail. It remains steady through every season of life. My child, stop carrying burdens that were never meant for your shoulders. Give me your worries. Give me your fears. Give me your disappointments. Give me your unanswered questions. Let me carry what is too heavy for you. When you surrender your concerns to me, you make room for my peace to fill your heart. There are moments when you feel discouraged because your progress seems slow, but growth often happens quietly. A seed beneath the ground may appear inactive, yet life is developing beneath the surface. In the same way, I am working in areas of your life that you cannot currently see. Do not give up because visible results have not appeared yet. Stay faithful in the small things. Continue to pray even when you do not feel immediate answers. Continue to trust even when circumstances are difficult. Continue to love even when others disappoint you. Continue to serve even when no one notices. Every act of faith matters. I am teaching you lessons that will prepare you for the future I have planned. The challenges you face today are strengthening your character. The difficulties you endure are building perseverance. The waiting season is developing patience. The obstacles are teaching you dependence on me. One day you will look back and understand why certain things happened the way they did. You will see how I connected every detail. You will recognize how I turned painful moments into valuable lessons. You will understand how I used even difficult experiences for your good. Do not compare your journey to someone else's. Everyone has a different path. What I am doing in your life is unique. Comparison steals joy and distracts you from your purpose. Focus on the assignment I have given you. Focus on the opportunities in front of you. Focus on following me one day at a time. When anxiety tries to enter your mind, remember my promises. When doubt tries to weaken your faith, remember my faithfulness. When discouragement tries to steal your hope, remember all the times I have helped you before. I have never failed you, and I never will. My child, there is still beauty ahead of you. There is still purpose ahead of you. There is still joy ahead of you. The story is not over. The chapter you are living now is not the final chapter. I am still writing your testimony. The enemy wants you to believe that nothing will change, but I tell you that change is coming. Growth is coming. Healing is coming. Restoration is coming. New opportunities are coming. New strength is coming. New hope is coming. Do not allow temporary struggles to convince you that your future is hopeless. Temporary storms do not last forever. Seasons change. Circumstances change. Situations change. But my love for you never changes. As you move forward, remember that you do not walk alone. I go before you. I walk beside you. I stand behind you. My angels watch over you. My spirit strengthens you. My word guides you. My love surrounds you. Take the next step in faith. Do not wait until you have every answer. Do not wait until every fear disappears. Trust me enough to move forward. The path will become clearer as you walk with me. Today, choose faith over fear. Choose hope over discouragement. Choose trust over anxiety. Choose prayer over worry. Choose my promises over your doubts. I have a plan for you, my child. A plan filled with hope. A plan filled with purpose. A plan filled with blessings. What I started in your life, I will continue. What I promised, I will fulfill. So lift your head, strengthen your heart, renew your faith. The future is still in my hands. The answers you seek are not beyond my reach. The breakthrough you need is not impossible for me. Keep trusting, keep believing, keep praying. I am your God, and I have a plan for you. Amen.